Well, I'm Jeremy. I'm a maintenance guy here at the ISD. We just take care of the facilities, fixtures, keep things running kind of smooth. Well, we come in, we open up one of our assigned buildings, and then head back to the shop, collect work orders that happened the day before. Typically, we make it in the office twice a day to check those work orders. Helping people, it's once people realize that it's not so much about yourself, but others, generally wind up happier. Well, really, it's about the kids here. I mean, in corporations, it's about the people sitting in the seats. I mean, the end consumer is really what is key. And here it just happens to be the students. So if a student comes into a classroom, it's not clean, orderly, lights all working. I mean, that's not a healthy learning environment. So we try to keep that going for the students and for the people in the office spaces. Well, I really love my family. I hang out with them most. I got friends that I tag along with a lot. And really anything outside. I mean, life's not all about electronics. I fish, canoe, I trap crayfish during the summer, and I mean, that's really all I do because it's too hot. Hunt mushrooms in the fall, springtime rakes and leeks.